Watch you guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change or reset your forgotten Windows 7 password by just using a Windows DVD disk, or you can actually use the Windows 7 USB drive if you've got that available to you. Now what we're going to do here is use the sticky keys function to remove that. It's a little hack we can do to bypass it. Now I wouldn't recommend you do this if you don't have to. If you ever got a reset password CD, then use one of those. They're a lot easier. But I just wanted to show you how to do it. Now the sticky keys function, once we try to put our password in, you can see we can't get in. And the sticky key is if when you push the shift key continuously, like so. Now what we're going to do here is copy the command prompt over the top of the sticky keys, so once we get back to this location, instead of the sticky keys coming up, it will be the command prompt. So let's give it a go. I'm going to reboot into my Windows DVD. Okay, we're going to push any key here. Just let Windows load up. Okay, we want to push next here, and then we want to come over to repair your computer. And then we want to push next again, and you can see the local drives now on D there. Okay, so what we want to do here is click on the command prompt, and we're going to change this to our D directory and type dir just to make sure that we can see the Windows folder, so I know I'm in the right place. Okay, let's clear the screen and then put our command up. So the first thing I want to do is copy a backup copy of sticky keys. So what we're going to do is copy this sticky keys function here. I'm going to put that in a root directory as a backup so we can put it back afterwards. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is copy our Windows command prompt. So what we're going to do there is copy the cmd.exe and overwrite it over the sticky keys. And it will say, do you want to overwrite? I'm going to say yes. And that's now done. So this part's now finished. Let's reboot back to the logon screen. Okay, we'll just let Windows load up here. Okay, so now we're back at this part here. What we need to do now is keep pushing the shift key to bring up our command prompt now. And as you keep pushing the shift key, you can see now the sticky keys function is now turned into the command prompt. So that gives us access. So we're going to type net user. And the account, in my case, mine's called test. Yours will be your name or whatever your account name is. And this part is the password. So I'm just going to put in a Britec as my password. And that's now been completed. So we can now close this off and now log on using our password. Okay, so we're at the desktop now. That managed to bypass that. But now what we need to do is copy our file back into our System32, which is our sticky keys. Otherwise it's going to be used as a command prompt, and we don't want that. So we're going to copy this back. Now you can't do it like this. You're going to have to do it in the command prompt, which isn't a problem. It's going to come down to the start of the All button here. type cmd. I'm going to right click on this and run this as administrator. Okay, so what we're going to do here is type copy C:, now because we're back on the desktop. So what that's going to do is going to copy our good copy that we backed up in the first place, and we're going to overwrite it in the System32. Going to go Y for yes, and that's pretty much it. So now when we push our shift key, we should get sticky keys back up, and there you go. And that's how you bypass a forgotten Windows 7 password without any trouble using a Windows CD. So I hope you like these videos. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. If you enjoy these videos, please remember, guys, hit that subscribe button. Also rate and favourite me videos if you enjoy them, and I'll be making more useful videos again in the future. So see you later. Bye for now.